In this guide, I'm going to show you two easy ways that you can use to uninstall apps on your iPhone running iOS 26 or future iOS versions. Before we get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first method is going to be from your home screen. Just find whatever app you'd like to go ahead and remove. For example, let's say I want to remove Instagram. Just long press on that app until this menu does appear. Tap remove app down at the bottom and then select delete app and confirm, and boom, that app is now going to be uninstalled from your device. Now, if you can't find that app, or if you want to remove multiple apps, what you'd want to do is open up your settings and then scroll down to the general tab and select iPhone storage. And from here, either scroll down or just search for whatever application you would like. In this case, let's go ahead and pretend it is Snapchat that I want to use, but open up that app. And then from here, go ahead and just select delete app and confirm. And this is going to remove that app and free up some storage on your device. If you ever want those apps back, just go back to that app store, search for it, and tap that cloud icon to reinstall it. But that is two quick ways that you can use to uninstall apps here on iOS 26 or future iOS versions. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.